Hello, and welcome to the PAEA workshops. I'm Amanda Gunter, Senior Director of Digital Learning and Culture at PAEA. I'm going to provide a brief overview of PAEA Learning and how to access your digital workshop materials. I wanted to start by showing you this wheel on the About page of paealearning.org. This is our vision for a comprehensive suite of faculty development resources and support. We currently have the Digital Learning Hub and Professional Learning communities in our PAEA Learning member community, which was launched at the forum in 2018. In 2019, we had our first pilot regional education meeting. Soon enough, we will be adding components for facilitating collaboration and instructional coaching. I'm sure you're already familiar with our forum and, of course, our workshops. There's a lot more information on this website, so be sure to check it out. Now I'm going to scroll up to the top of the screen and show you the member community. Click on My Account and log in to get started. An account was created for all workshop attendees, so if you haven't logged in before, just click on the Forgot Password to get set up. This landing page is where you can access the Digital Learning Hub, Professional Learning communities, and program and member directories. First, I'll walk you through the Professional Learning Communities tab. These replaced our listservs in June of 2019. There are over 30 to choose from. When you see a topic or role that resonates with you, click on it, and then you can click Join Group. There's functionality to change how often you receive the messages from each community. Every post and daily digest are the two most popular. You can post questions, polls, updates, or even quizzes. Another feature is the Files section right here in the bottom right-hand corner. All files uploaded to each community will be housed in this section for easy retrieval. If you're attending a core workshop, you will have a closed community for your cohort, so you can keep in touch and share any resources with those in your group. We're going to move on to the Digital Learning Hub soon, but I quickly wanted to point out this easy access to LinkedIn Learning, which is formerly lynda.com. Their content is also in the Digital Learning Hub, but the link in this toolbar gives you direct access to their platform using single sign-on. Next, let's check out the Digital Learning Hub. Sign in by clicking PAEA Learning. At first glance, it can seem overwhelming because there are so many options and places to look for information. I want to start by talking about the intention behind the design of the Digital Learning Hub to help orient you to the concept before we do a tour of the system. At PAEA, we are invested in your learning and professional development. Given the fast pace of society, technology, and the abundance of information available today, we recognize that it can be really challenging to take time away from work to learn. While not a replacement for face-to-face development, the Digital Learning Hub provides a bridge to overcome some of these barriers. Educators curate content for you so that when you do have free time to focus on development, you can dive right in, anytime and from anywhere. We take the guesswork out of searching for valid and useful information. If you want to take advantage of professional development on the go, we have an app for that. The app is designed so that you can access the same information that you access in your internet browser on your phone, giving you a seamless experience between all of your devices. So the next time you have a few minutes to spare, I encourage you to open the app and take a look. I hope you'll be pleasantly surprised. If you're interested in downloading the app, we have some printed instructions in the back of your workshop room. When you first log in, you'll see a section to the left. This area can be easily overlooked, but it contains some links and information for getting started. You'll also see the featured page. This is content that we have highlighted because we think you might be interested in it. This is also a place where you can find other people who you may be interested in following. For example, I see that Kendall Mealy has posted some content that I'm interested in. I'm going to click on her profile picture so that I can see other content that she's posted. Now, I'm already following Kendall, but if I wasn't, I could click here to follow her. Then I would get alerts or notifications when she posts new content. If I click on the home link again, I come back to the featured page. Now if I click on Team Learning, I can see posts from the people or channels that I follow. Following people is one of the best things that you can do in order to see fresh content that aligns with your interests. Once you've reviewed the featured and Team Learning pages, we recommend that you head over to the Discover page. This page provides a full, high-level display of all the content available within the system. Please note that this is an ever-evolving system and we are constantly incorporating feedback and fine-tuning the user interface to give you the best experience possible. We've tried to organize the content into meaningful buckets or carousels. For example, we've created a group of channels that we think might be helpful for personal development. We've also got a large group of channels in the learning design carousel, so this may be an opportunity for us to go back and fine-tune. You can also use the search bar to search for certain topics. For example, curriculum design. We can also try CME. All of the courses eligible for CME pop up. I've created a lot of the channels on the platform, and as a result, I'm following most of them. One way for you to get tuned into the content you're interested in is to follow different channels. You don't need to follow them all, only the ones you're interested in. To follow a channel, click the blue follow button. If new content is posted in a channel you're following, it will show up under the Team Learning tab. Under the PAEA Learning Events carousel, you will see the workshop you're currently enrolled in. You should automatically be following this channel, but if not, just let us know and we'll get you set up. I'm going to show you the channel for Faculty Skills 101 as an example. Within the channel, we've developed pathways, which is just a fancy term for folders of information. If I click into FS 101 presentation slides, you'll see the PowerPoint presentation for each session on the agenda. Any articles or resources are housed under the FS 101 Workbook and Resources pathway. We will reuse the same channel each time we repeat a workshop, so you will always have access to the most updated PowerPoints and resources. I run through a lot in this video, and I hope it's been helpful. If you have questions or ideas, please reach out to us at learning@paeaonline.org. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for your time and have a great workshop.